Hi, I'm AJ. When I get a CPG brief, it's almost always the same thing. Purchase frequency, basket size. Well, the go-to for all of them, coupons, discounts. The problem with coupons and discounts in the food industry, unless maybe it's a non-perishable, is great, I bought a whole bunch more of X, but I don't have a way to use it. So let's take, for example, one of my families, I have 3 kids, favorite products, pepperoni. I can get coupons to buy more pepperoni, and yes, that might help me buy your pepperoni, but if I'm only eating pizza once a week, and in my limited chef skills, I only think to put pepperoni on my 1 or 2 of my pizzas each week, I am going to eat X amount of pepperoni in a week. So what you've got to do is you've got to inspire me. You've got to show me that pepperoni can not only be used at dinner on a pizza, but it can be used in a lasagna, it can be used in this, it can be used in that. Every CPG brand, if you go to one of their websites, they've got a plethora of recipes on their site. The problem is, how often, when was the last time you went to a CPG brand and browsed around the recipes? So what we want to do is we want to say, hey, we've got something here that's going to give you a chance to win, and we're going to make it fun and challenging for you. And the content that we're going to use are those recipes from our CPG partner site. So now all of a sudden, those recipes that sit quietly on a CPG site are now being consumed, looked at, studied in a fun way. And that pepperoni that was only being eaten once a week in my house is now being used for lunches. It's being used with eggs. It's being used in appetizers. It's being used into all kinds of different things. And what I did is I didn't just do it like a little blip where you send out a coupon and for this month or week I bought more pepperoni. It's changed our family's behavior and how we work with pepperoni.